It really has. We've had some good success real soon, sooner than Corey and I expected, and we're just continuing on with what Corey and I built the foundation with, a year ago or 5 years ago.
So bowling wise, I want to obviously just try to be the best I can be. Obviously, I'm not going to be the best unless it happens, but bowling wise, I want to be the best. I want to go out there, do good, win tournaments, and then personal, I want to either run a business or do sales and marketing for a nice business, and then settle down one day,